Alright everyone, this is part 4 of my trip in Oahu, Hawaii. I'm at the Turtle Bay Beach and it's the 2nd of August. And remember, just because something's edible or medicinal, it does not mean you should eat or use. Things like contaminated soil could cause more harm than help. Do your research. And also, I'm an amateur at botany, so if I made a mistake, let me know in the comments below, so let's jump straight into it. Here we go. So, I took a nap and I forgot to get more footage of plants, but that's fine, because right now I'm at the Olina, lagoon number 4, so let's jump straight into it, yeah. Scaevola, taccada, or the beach leucocephala, is a native plant of Hawaii and can basically grow anywhere in Hawaii. Leucaena leucocephala, or the white lead tree, which you may have seen in my previous videos. They are native to Mexico and Central America. I've been observing these guys for a bit. They have dark brown pods, and I think these are green flower clusters. Now, these guys right next door look like Leucaenas because of their leaves and leaf patterns, but they also have thicker branches and stems, they have bright yellow flowers, they have thorns, and fewer smaller green pods. And that's that. I'll put some more information in the description. Otherwise, have a terrible day.